We finally have the fuel pump assembly here. So we're going to change the fuel pump assembly on this because mine is broken and it does not read. The fuel gauge does not work unless it's above half a tank. So we're going to change. We have taken apart the fuel pump assembly because I don't trust this pump because this was only like $70 because I just need this. So I don't trust that. So we're just going to swap my old fuel pump into the new basket. Wait, you need me to open up the gas cap?
I mean, if you wouldn't mind.
I don't mind, bro.
Let me do that.
Hey, doggy.
I really think it's a lot of gas.
Yeah, I know. I was trying not to have too much gas in there. But I didn't know how much gas I had. So I only put 20.
This line's always full of gas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Is that how you feel? One more time? No? Okay.
She said later. I smell it. I can't believe people get high off that.
It's completely disconnected.
A lot of times you've done this. Was this like 4 times?
More. Look how broken this thing is. Jesus, not even held on by one anymore.
It's not?
No, the other one broke off already.
No. How the fuck is it reading? Oh, that's right.
Definitely not reading right.
Well, it says it's over half.
Here's the clip.
Your old enemy.
This fucking stick was in the way.
Surgery.
It's terrible.
Just taking the fuel pump out of this and putting it in that. And then we're Gucci. I don't hear anything priming.
I heard it once.
Oh, okay.
Did you close your doors? Or close,
Oh, there it goes.
to do this sometimes.
Pow! What's the gas gauge say? Or it's not gonna read right, is it? It was a dot above half last time.
It doesn't show a dot.
It doesn't show anything?
No.
Huh?
No.
You think it's because that's not bolted down?
No.
What the fuck? Bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's learning itself, I guess.
Okay. Push it down again. Just hold it down for a second.
Like moving it around.
Okay, now it says 149 miles. I mean, that might be
I have
extra.
to like run it through the
Well,
like,
also I
push
don't even
all
know.
that
I don't even know how much gas I actually had. So.
I mean, do you want to go for a little personal shit? Let's see.
Well, I'm pretty sure.
It has to. I want it to like touch all the way max and then all the way down when it's like on. You know.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
I mean, I can like.
No, I'm pretty sure it's right now. Because I only put 20 bucks in. I only put 6 gallons in this morning.
Yeah.
Now I've moved again. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. Good. Now we can turn it off. All that's left is doing pulls. So we ended up having to use this fuel pump assembly because we cannot modify the other fuel pump to fit into that. So it was slightly thinner. So we're taking a chance. The car starts, it reads the gas right, I think. So now all we have to do is drive it, and that's the biggest test. Yeah, if it doesn't blow up. If it doesn't blow up, then I will recommend getting this fuel pump assembly because it's only $70. You can't shut it? Oh. Yeah, you might need that.
Is it working?
Well, yeah, it's still reading. Yeah. I mean, I haven't driven it. We'll see, man. We'll see when it gets to 8,000. Yeah, I'm just happy that it's actually like reading right. Update on the fuel pump assembly. I think it's working. I mean, it's gone past that when I put gas in it. So I'm gonna be finding out if it actually works, if it goes below, because this is where it always stop at. And it showed half a tank, but I don't trust that. So hopefully this works. I will keep you guys updated. But I mean, the car's been running fine with this eBay fuel pump, surprisingly. So yeah, we'll see how this goes.
Wah, wah, wah. Will you cut that out?
There's Daisy.
Cleaning off.
Washing the car, do 400 horsepower. Make sure you wash your car.
Just cleaning off the old Auto Z if it's a new owner.